Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a subscription through the Shopify website. So the first thing you do is go to shopify.com, and once you're there, sorry about that, go to shopify.com. Here it is, and once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is click on login by clicking on these three lines at the top right corner. Then you see login here, click on login, and once you log in, you enter your email address and password to log in. So once you are in, click on the store name. Now, after clicking on the store name, it will be at the top right corner. Click on settings from the drop down menu. Click on billing from the settings menu, and then click on the cancel subscription button, and then you confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. It's as simple as that. Do not forget that after canceling your subscription, you'll still be able to access the Shopify store until the end of your current billing period. It's as simple as that.